My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar and I author. I have written 10 books or the 12 books so far. And now we will, in the name of the humanity and curse to the Allah, curse to the Paigambar, Muhammad, we will start the dangerous verses of the Quran, chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah. And as you well aware that I have told, uh, I have stated the discussion about the verses of the Quran of the chapter 2 and up to 220. So now we will discuss about the 221 verses of the Quran chapter 2. So we will see the translation of Mustafa Khattab, the authentic translator of the Islamic books. So let us read the first verses of this video number 221 of the Surah chapter Al-Baqarah chapter 2. Do not marry polytheist women until they believe, for a believing slave woman is better than a free polytheist, even though she may look pleasant to you. Here this verse is very derogatory verse against the non-Muslims. Do not marry with the polytheist means non-Muslim woman until they believe means she must be converted at Islam. This is the psychology of the Muhammad, the psychology of the hatred, psychology of the criminal activities of the Muhammad. Because this verse was not sent down any Jibril or Gabriel or by Allah, because Allah is fallacy and the Jibril also is a fallacy. The greatest lie of the Islam, Judaism and the Christian, that there was a Gabriel. These are mythological, having no evidence as Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. She may look pleasant to you, yet she is beautiful. But until she is not Muslim, he is not able to you for the marry. And do not marry your woman to polytheist men until they believe. And the woman, a Muslim woman, must not marry with non-Muslim. Whether he is handsome, but you have not to do with the marry with him. This is the derogatory remarks against the non-Muslims. So this verse is very dangerous to the society. They invite you to fire with Allah, invites you to paradise. Here it has been stated, if a non-Muslim woman or man, a Muslim man or woman married to the non-Muslim man or woman, respectively, they invite you to hellfire. And Allah invites you to paradise. Allah gives you paradise. And forgiveness by His grace. Allah is very kind to the groups of the robbers, killers, rapists, and the agent of the sale and purchase of the woman, as Muhammad was did this crime activities throughout his life with the help of his companions. They were the robbers at all. They were the rapists. They were the killers of the non-Muslims, especially Jews and the Christian at the time of the Muhammad life. 222. They ask, O Prophet, about menstruation. Say, beware of its harm. So keep away and do not have intercourse with your wives during this monthly cycle until they are purified. When they purify themselves, then you may approach them in the manner specified by the Allah. Surely Allah loves those who always turn to Him in the repentance and those who purify themselves. Here again, Muhammad criticized the Muslims, women, that don't sex with the Muslim women because they are filthy. But the man is under the masturbation or the nightfall, he is not unhealthy. So Muhammad was not a doctor. He was purely a stupid person who always cried against the non-Muslims and against the scientific value and against the nature. Islam does not respect the nature and the non-Muslims. This is the base of the Islam. Your wives are like farmland for you, so approach them consensually as you please. Here further, the Islamic Allah and the Muhammad disrespected the female or wives, and he says that women are the farmland for you and you can approach as you please, means the anal sex or the vaginal sex. This is the prophet who was created a book in the shape of the book of the sexology or the Kokshastra, and send for something good for yourself. Be mindful of Allah and know that you will meet Him and give good news to believers. If there is not any Allah, that how can you will meet the Allah? This is the fallacy. This is the fallacy. And it is very amazing that the woman has the farmland of a Muslim. So Islam does not respect the woman. Even the Muslim women are not respected by this Muhammad, because this Quran is the creation of the Muhammad and his brother-in-law or the cousin of the Khadija bin Khuwailid, a born Christian woman converted to Muslim, and Warqa bin Nobil, his cousin, was never became a Muslim. He was Christian until death. So Khadija and the Warqa bin Nobil before the Muhammad was a illiterate person. Do not use Allah's name in your oath as an excuse for not doing good. You always not doing good. You always doing bad in the name of Allah, because you are killing the non-Muslim in the name of Allah. You are killing the innocent animal in the name of Allah. So a Muslim cannot do a good work, because Quran is the book of the evils. Quran is book of the criminology. Quran is book of the derogatory remarks against the humanity. 225. Allah will not hold you accountable for unintentional oaths, but for what you intended in your heart. Allah is forgiving, most forbearing. Yes, Allah is most forgiving, because Allah is forgiving all the rapists of the Jews and Christians that were the so-called Prophet Muhammad and his companions themselves. The group of the rapists, group of the killers, and group of the robbers was forgiven by this Allah at the time of the Muhammad. That the companion of Muhammad and Muhammad himself was a certified robber of the caravans of the businessmen of the Jews. Even the Muhammad tried to loot it or rob the caravan of his cousin Abu Sufyan. So this shameless person have nothing with the good things or the reasonable things to the society. 228. Those who swear not to have intercourse with their wives must wait 4 months. If they change their mind, Allah is certainly or forgiving, most merciful. अब इसके लिए मैं क्या कहूँ? ये अल्लाह तो ऐसा लगता है कि कोक शास्त्र बनाया है. Allah made the book of the sexology, not book of the spiritual values. Islam has no spiritual values. Islam is only book of the criminology, sexology, and a good novel for the criminals, how they commit crime in the name of the Allah. This is the silent feature of the Quran. 227. But if they settle on divorce, then Allah indeed all hearing, all knowing. 228. Divorced means one must wait 3 months cycle before they can remarry. It is not lawful for them to conceal with Allah has created their wombs. If they truly believe in Allah and last day and their husband reserve the right to take them back within the period if they desire reconciliation. Women have rights similar to those men equality, although man has a degree of responsibility above them. Actually, woman has no right to divorce a Muslim man. He can only request to the man for the divorce, as Sania Mirza did. So this is known as the Khula. Islam is the name of the dirt against the women, against the non-Muslims, against the civil society, against the human values. Divorce may be retracted twice, then the husband must retain his wife with honor or separate from her with grace. If only twice divorce, it is not lawful for husband to take anything dowry given to their wives unless the couple fears not being as able to keep within the limits of Allah. So if you fear they will not able to keep within the limits of Allah, there is no blame if the wife compensate the husband to obtain divorce. There are the limits set by Allah, so do not transgress from them. Whoever transgress limit of Allah, they are true wrongdoers. Actually, Allah allows to all the atrocity against the non-Muslim women and the Muslim women. Because here in this verse, it has been stated that man is overpowered by woman. Woman was overpowered by woman by the grace of the Allah. So Allah is a discriminating against the Muslim women and Muslim men also. He is too much cruel and brutal against the non-Muslims. Even Allah allows the killing of the non-Muslim. How this cruel Allah, the curse of this Allah. (220) So if a husband divorces his wife 3 times, then it is not lawful to him remarry her until after she has married another man. Then is divorced. Then it is permissible for them to unite as long as they feel they are able to maintain the limits of Allah. These are the limits set by Allah, which He makes clear for people of knowledge. Here, if a man divorces to a Muslim woman, thrice, then if that woman wants to turn back towards his first husband due to welfare of his child which were born by this man, she is not allowed. She has to go marry with another person, and with condition that the intercourse must be compromised by the woman, the another person. And due to this error, the women of Muslim women were raped by in the name of Allah, by his father-in-law, by his maternal uncle, even by his uncle also. This is the filthiness of the Islam. This is the filth of the Islam which was created by Muhammad in the name of Allah. So this is the video 220 to 230. So let us know that Islam has no respect. The Muslims, non-Muslim women and non-Muslims are the prey of the Islamic goons, which are the true Muslims, known as the Muslims. True Muslim is the terrorist, certified terrorist, and this book, Quran verses, are the book of the terrorism. Quran is the most hated book and most deniable book by an intelligence person. But it is not deniable by stupids, the robbers, the killers and the rapists and the traders of the sale and purchase of the woman. As the Muhammad was the traders of the sale and purchase of the woman, he sold so many women of the Banu Qurayza Jewish tribe in the market of the Nazad. After capturing them, molested them by him and his companions also. So Muhammad was a certified robber, killer and the rapist. And this is why so many verses of the Quran is allowed to rape with the non-Muslim woman, killing the non-Muslim and looting the non-Muslim wealth in the name of the Allah, which is known as the Malik Ganimat. So Islam is a stupidity which was created in the shape of the verses by so-called Muhammad. Allah was not there. There was no Jibril at all. This all Quran is created by the third caliphate, the Usman, because original Quran does not exist till date. Thank you very much. See you. Please read this book. This book is the reflection of the atrocity of the Islam against the non-Muslim women, is Yazidi woman, Lament of Sinjar. The publisher is Saswat Publication. Thank you very much. See you.